flat hair blues? Discover the JVN Volumizing Shampoo solution for big, bold, and full hair. Ever look in the mirror and feel disappointed by your flat, lifeless hair? You're not alone. Many people struggle with thinning, fine, or limp hair that refuses to hold volume. It's frustrating when you're doing everything right, yet your hair still falls flat. Whether it's product buildup, dry strands, or lack of body, finding a solution seems impossible. But what if we told you there's a game-changing solution that gives your hair bounce, volume, and shine from the first wash? Enter JVN Embody Volumizing Shampoo, the answer to all your hair woes. The problem with most shampoos is that they offer volume but leave your hair dry and weighed down. But JVN's Embody Volumizing Shampoo is different. It's formulated with caffeine and aloe leaf juice, ingredients known for their invigorating and hydrating properties, giving your hair the perfect balance of fullness and moisture. This sulfate-free, clarifying shampoo cleanses without drying, while helping to add thickness and density to your hair from the first use. It's the perfect solution for those with fine, thin, or lifeless hair looking to add serious bounce and vitality. Most hair products promise volume, but they can also leave behind harsh chemicals and buildup that make things worse. JVN's clean ingredients list gives you peace of mind while delivering real results. Packed with hemisqualane and aloe leaf juice, it strengthens hair and nourishes the scalp over time, all while adding volume and shine. Plus, the delightful scent of sandalwood and amber mixed with jasmine and bergamot makes every wash feel like a luxury experience. Who knew a shampoo could fix your hair woes and feel like an indulgence at the same time? So, how do you know this will work for you? Clinical studies show that 93% of users saw visibly thicker hair after just one use, and 93% noticed less hair fall. After a few weeks, you'll also notice your hair appearing denser, with increased body and shine. No more limp locks or thinning strands. The JVN Embody Volumizing Shampoo not only solves your hair problems, but it works efficiently, saving you time and money on salon visits and expensive treatments. It's all about getting professional-level results at home without the hassle. The best part? JVN Embody Volumizing Shampoo is a solution that works for all hair types. Whether you have fine, flat, thinning, or dry hair, this shampoo is designed to boost your hair's fullness while maintaining its natural texture. Plus, it won't leave your strands feeling heavy or greasy, making it perfect for daily use. Say goodbye to flat, lifeless hair and hello to big, bouncy locks that shine with vitality. So why settle for less when you can have thick, voluminous, and healthy hair with just one wash? Try JVN today and see the difference for yourself.